If you're looking for a quality set of floor mats to keep the carpets clean in your 2022 or newer CrewMax Tundra with the bucket seats, these rough country heavy duty front and rear floor mats in black will be a great pick. Now these will be for the Tundra owners looking for that premium molded mat for the front and back of their truck to protect their carpets from any dirt, dust, mud, spills, or really whatever may come in contact with them. Now this set will also just add that finished touch to your interior on top of the functional benefits if you're also looking for a little bit of elevated styling. These will feature that molded design with high edges to not only completely cover the footwell area, but trap whatever gets onto the mat so you can easily pop it in and out, wipe it down, hose it down, whatever you need to do to clean these things. These will also feature channeling on the bottom of the mat, which allows any of those spills or dirt to be trapped within the mat, keeping it in place. Now the lower portion of the floor mats will also pop into the factory footwell mounting post, so you can ensure that these are not going to slide around or move around for safety and to prevent any annoyance when you're driving in your Tundra. Now the liner will be tough, made of a durable, low-density polyethylene material, being able to hold up to whatever's thrown at it when it comes in contact with any of those spills, debris, and even extreme temperatures. Now even though these are rigid to have that molded effect, these are also going to have some flex to it, making it very easy to, again, pop them in and out when you're cleaning your truck. And I do also like the fact that these are going to have that black textured finish. It's going to match very well with any other interior accessories, and you do get the Rough Country logo over here on the side. Now this will come in at about $225 for the entire set, which is pretty average for a set of molded floor liners. Now what I like about this one here in particular is the custom fitment, the oversized design, so it's going to give you a little bit more protection than the average floor mat, and again the elevated appearance that these are going to add to the inside of the truck. Now compared to other solutions, these will bring a little bit more to the table with those features, making them well worth that more premium price point. Now install, as you can probably imagine, is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you no longer than 10 minutes to get these in your truck. Now at this point, we can head over to the shop and check out a detailed breakdown of what that install or what getting these into your truck looks like. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing floor mats in our Tundra, so let's get started. Alright guys, so what we have to do for this uninstall is we have to twist our tabs here either way. Now we can lift up and remove our floor mat. Now you can repeat that process on the other side. Now for the rear, there's nothing holding it in, so all you have to do is remove. All you have to do is slide your mat in, line up your tabs, and twist your tabs. Now you can repeat this process on the passenger side. All right guys, moving on to the rear. As you can see, we pushed our front seats forward and our rear seats up. Now we can slide in our new floor mat. It's gonna line up with the outline of the seats. We're all set. Now your install is complete. So that's going to wrap up the install on our Rough Country heavy duty front and rear floor mats in black for your 22 and newer Tundra CrewMax with bucket seats. Thanks for watching, and for all things Tundra, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.